There's a moment in the technology industry that doesn't come from one breakthrough, but from many things happening all at once. And right now, that moment is happening with something called physical AI. Physical AI refers to artificial intelligence systems that don't just process information or generate text, they actually perceive, reason, and act in the real world. So think robots, autonomous vehicles, and intelligent machines operating in factories. Earlier this year at CES, Jensen Huang described this as the ChatGPT moment for robotics. What he meant is important. ChatGPT marked the point where AI moved from research labs into mainstream use, and we're starting to see that same transition now with robotics and physical machines. Across the tech industry, multiple companies are racing to build the platform layer for physical AI. For example, Nvidia recently introduced new AI models designed specifically for robots, including Cosmos and Groot, along with powerful new computing modules built for robotics workloads. At the same time, ARM created a new business unit dedicated entirely to semiconductors for robotics and intelligent machines. And Siemens is partnering with Nvidia to build what they're calling the Industrial AI Operating System, which could power fully autonomous manufacturing facilities. Then there's Google. Google recently moved its robotics software division called Intrinsic directly into its core business. The idea is to offer manufacturers a complete stack, AI models from Google DeepMind, robotics software from Intrinsic, and cloud infrastructure from Google Cloud. Internally, people are comparing the strategy to Android. Android didn't win smartphones by building the best phone, it won by becoming the platform everything else runs on. And that's exactly the layer companies are racing to control in the physical AI world. But while the West is building the software platforms, China is pushing aggressively on the hardware side. China already accounts for over 80% of the global humanoid robot installations and more than half the world's industrial robots. The country also dominates critical components like LiDAR sensors and robotic motion gears, giving it a major manufacturing advantage. Chinese tech giant Alibaba has also launched its own robotics AI model called RinBrain, designed to help robots understand physical environments and recognize objects. And the scale is enormous. China already has more than 140 humanoid robot companies and over 330 robot models in development. So what's happening now is a convergence. Western companies are building the software platforms and AI models, while China is scaling the manufacturing and robotics hardware. Together, that's creating a global ecosystem that could fundamentally change how the world manufactures products, moves goods, and automates industries. Historically, deploying industrial robots required months of engineering work and highly specialized teams. But new physical AI platforms are trying to simplify that process dramatically. Some companies claim automation projects that used to take months could soon take days, and if that becomes normal, it could reshape the economics of manufacturing around the world. There's also a geopolitical dimension. The companies and countries that control the software layer of robotics and automation could gain enormous influence over global industrial infrastructure. So physical AI isn't just another tech trend, it could be the next major transformation in how the world builds things, moves things, and operates at scale. And the race to control it is already underway.